Hello parents, this is Mr. Romero, Assistant Principal at Acacia Middle School. Today I am going to show you how to access the enrichment packets for your students, how to contact their teachers, and how to access the summer school application if you wish your students to attend summer school. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to a web browser and type in hemetusd.org. That is the address to the district website, the Hemet Unified School District website. You're going to go on the front page to the New Enrichment Resources website. You're going to scroll down. You're going to click on Educational Enrichment Resources. You're going to click on this picture of a laptop. Hemet Learns Together is the page that you want to be in, and you have a message from our superintendent. And you have all the enrichment packets: preschool, TK, K-8, dual language immersion, and you also have high school enrichment. For our purposes, for Acacia, we want to do 6th, 7th, and 8th. But by all means, if you have students in other grades, you can access the packets here. So we're going to go ahead and click View All Packets. I'm clicking on 6th grade. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4 packets have been distributed. We still have 4 more packets to go. I'm going to go ahead and click on one of the packets, the latest one that was given out. It was actually produced on April 27th, 6th grade, and this is the packet. It's in PDF form. You would have to download the packet and print it at home for your student to work on it. Okay, and they have a different subject matter. We had math previously. This is language arts and history. Okay, so this the process that I just showed you is to access the enrichment packets. I'm gonna go back. These are different tabs that my computer opened, and I'm gonna go to the main page. Now, to access my Acacia's website from the district website, or any school in our district, I go to schools and I can click on any of the schools. For our purposes, we want to go to middle schools, because Acacia is a middle school, and I'll click on Acacia Middle School. That's our web page. And once you have the packet, the other thing I like for you to do is for your student to contact their teacher. So you're going to come here under latest news, under teacher availability, click on that, and this houses the all of the emails of our teachers, their names, emails. They might be already posting work on different platforms. They might have Google Classroom, and so they need to contact their teachers to see what's going on. And these are the office hours, what time these teachers are going to be available for your students. So it's very important for your students to contact their teacher, okay? Because in doing so, doing the packets and contacting their teachers, they have a possibility of increasing their grades. So to access now the summer school application, if you wish your student to attend summer school, you go to parents and you click summer school, and you click summer school applications 2020, and here you're gonna have all the schools that are going to be offering summer school. These are the high schools and these are the middle schools. For our purposes, Acacia, if your student currently is in 5th grade, you would click here, this section here, to access the online applications. It's what I recommend. Or you can download the application on, here, but you would have to turn it in at the food distribution center on Wednesdays between 9 and 10:30. So, so to do it online, what you would do is you would, for our purposes, let's say the student is a 5th grader coming into 6th, I would go and click on English, or in Spanish if you want to do it in Spanish, but let's say English, and it's going to be a Google form. Here it is. And you fill out this application and you submit it. Okay? Okay. Well, parents, I hope this helped to, one, obtain the enrichment packets from the district website. Two, go to our website, Acacia Middle School, and obtain the contact of your students' teachers and have your students contact their teachers. And three, hopefully you will be able to access and complete a summer school application if you wish for your student to attend summer school. My name is Mr. Romero. I'm one of the assistant principals here at Acacia Middle School. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.